Now's the time to spruce up your home's entry for the holidays before the weather gets too cold. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about renewing rusted handrails right after this.
Is there anything more annoying than a constantly running toilet? It's a common and sometimes expensive problem for homeowners, but the fix is simple and affordable. Today's Homeowner and Fluid Master are helping you take care of your leaky toilet once and for all during Treat Your Toilet Leak Week. We've created a collection of how-to videos, informative articles, and insider tips to help you diagnose and repair pesky toilet problems. Visit todayshomeowner.com/leakweek for trusted DIY solutions and say goodbye to your leaky toilet today.
A home's entryway makes a statement, especially around the holidays when we have more guests. So if yours includes metal handrails that are rusty from the exposure to the elements, here are some quick tips to correct the situation. Before painting, you have to remove the rust. You can do that with a cordless drill using a wire brush attachment, or you can use a chemical rust stripper to clean the surface. Once the metal is clean, the next step is to prime it to prepare the surface for the new top coat. You can find spray-on metal primers which work well for the detailed surfaces like handrails, but be sure to mask off surrounding areas to protect from any overspray. Finally, apply 2 coats of finish paint to protect the metal and keep away any future rust. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.